on this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easy ways that you can use to make money from home online without selling anything, without investing anything, and with zero experience. Everything that I'm going to show you in this video is free. You can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you the exact strategy that you can use to make up to $100 per day. And the best part of this strategy is that you can set the whole system up and you are going to be making money without doing the work. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see on your screen, we are going to be using this website, pricerebel.com. This is a website that you can use to earn PayPal money just by completing surveys, watching videos, and other simple tasks that you are going to be doing on this website. But the best part is that I'm going to show you the exact strategy that you can use to make money on this website, even if you don't complete surveys or even if you don't watch videos. So make sure you keep on watching so that I will show you everything. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create your account so that you can start making money on this website. So you can create your account just by using your Facebook accounts. You can also use your Google accounts, that is your emails. If you have a Gmail account, you can just use that to create a free account and you are going to start making money on this website. Right now, I'm going to log into my account so that I will show you everything that you need to do to make money on this website. So just come here, click on login. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. There are two ways that you can earn money on this website. So the first way is that you are going to be completing surveys so that you can get points and then convert them to PayPal cash. And I will show you the second method. So make sure you keep on watching so that I will show you everything that you need to know. So what you are going to do is that you are going to be completing surveys, and as you can see right here, this is the first survey that I can complete and earn up to 54 points. So what we are going to do is that you are going to come to all these research marketplaces and then get surveys so that you can complete them. So there are a lot of surveys on this platform that you can complete and then earn money from home. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click here so that you can get more surveys. Fear not labs. So once you click on that, you can get surveys to complete. So right now it is loading, so you are going to see surveys here. You can see this one, someone ate all the surveys. So within some few minutes you are going to get surveys here. The next thing is that you are going to also come to the next research company, as you can see, AdGate, and you are going to be getting surveys so that you can complete them. So let me click on it for you to see. As you can see, these are surveys that you can complete and then earn points. You can see this, the first one is 7 points. You can see this one here, 4 points. You can see 1 point. As I scroll, you can see many surveys that you can complete. So some of these companies pay a lot of points, some don't pay. So let's come to the next one, Offer Toro. So when you click on that, you are going to find a lot of surveys that you can complete and then earn money from home. So alright, as you can see, it is loading. As you can see, this one here, you are going to earn 94 points. You can see the second one is 94 points. So as I scroll, you can see them 34 points. You can see 7 points. So as I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see this one 626 points, and as I scroll, a whole lot of different surveys that you can complete and then earn points on this website so that you can convert them to cash. You can use your phone to complete all these offers and you are going to be making money. So just come to AdGem so that you can find a lot of surveys to complete. So once you come to AdGem, you are still going to find surveys that are going to pay you a lot of points if you complete them. So you can see this one here, 718 points. You can see 82 points, 6 points. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different surveys that you can complete and then earn points on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. Once you finish with this research company, the next thing is that you are going to move to this one right here, IET Studios. I don't know how to pronounce it well. So once you click on that, you can find surveys that you can complete. As you can see right here, you can complete these surveys and then earn points on this platform. You can see this one 387 points. This one is 156 points. The next company is AdSend. So we are going to move to the next company so that you can complete offers in that company so that you can be earning points. You can see it's still loading. Once you click on AdSend, you are going to select your gender. Once you select it, you can get surveys that are suited for you. You can see this one, you are going to earn 13.8 points. This one 41.4 points, 27.6 points. So that is it for this company. The next thing is that you are going to come to Revenue Universe. So once you click on that, you can find surveys to complete and then earn money. As you can see, these are surveys that you can complete with Revenue Universe. As you can see, you can just participate in this one. You can see this one, 17 points. So what you are going to do is that you are going to participate in these surveys so that you can earn points and then convert it to PayPal cash. So that is not all. The second way that you can use to earn money is that you are going to become an affiliate of this particular website so that you can be earning money on autopilot. What you are going to do is that you are going to invite other people to come here and then complete surveys, and you are going to be earning money when you refer a person to this particular website. So that is the easiest way that you can use to make money from this website. If you want to earn double, you can complete the surveys and then invite people as well. So you can use the two methods to earn money at the same time. So just come and click on any of these research marketplaces and then find surveys to complete. So if you want to become an affiliate, just come to invite. Once you select the invite, select earn with referral. So just click on that so that you can get your referral link. Once you click on earn with referral, you can see this is your referral link. But let me show you something before you come to that. So as you can see right here, if you refer people and they earn 1,000 points, you are going to earn $10. You can see if they earn 150 points, you are going to earn $1.50. As you can see it right here. As you can see, you're going to be earning 15% bonus on their earnings. So that is your referrals. So the best part is that it is not a single person. You can see if they earn 1,000 points, so it means all of them combined, not a single person. So if you get up to 10 people and each of them earning 100 points, you are going to earn $10 from their earnings, as you can see it right here. So the next thing is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to get people to join this website, and you are going to be earning money. You can get up to 100 people per day. You can get up to 50 people per day. It depends on how serious you take this method that I'm about to show you. So before I show you the method, I want to show you how to withdraw your cash so that you can spend them on whatever that you want. So if you want to withdraw, you are going to come to reward. Once you are on reward, just click on rewards. So once you click on rewards, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, you can withdraw your points by Amazon gift card, PayPal money. You can see Amazon gift card and then the rest. So it depends on the payment method that you want to use to cash out your earning. So if you want PayPal cash, you can do that. If you want Amazon gift card, you can do that. If you want an Amazon gift card to buy any clothes, shoe, accessories, you can just click on here and you are going to get an Amazon gift card so that you can spend it on Amazon. You can see health products, house and home, food and beverages. So whatever categories of products that you want a gift card to buy, you can just select that right here and then you can get a gift card to do so. So the next part is that when you scroll down, you can come to here, PayPal. So here, once you click here, you can enter your PayPal email and your earning is going to be sent to you. So let me click on that to show you more. So just click on PayPal. So once you click on PayPal, you can see here, please set your PayPal email in your Price Rebel accounts here. So you are going to click on that so that you can set up your PayPal accounts and link it to pricerebel.com, and you are going to be receiving payment through that account. As you can see right here, you can claim your cash 3 times per every 24 hours. So as you can see right here, so if you want to withdraw, you can just come here, click on custom so that you set the amount that you want to be paid when you get that threshold. You can select $5 PayPal money, and once you reach $5, you are going to be paid. You can see the amount of points here, that is 500 points. Once you get 500 points, you are going to be earning $5. So $1 is equal to 100 points. So this is a simple way that you can use to make money. You can see this one right here. If you earn up to 1,000 points, that is equal to $10. So once you complete the offers, you can select your own payment threshold, and once you reach that threshold, you are going to be paid. As I said earlier on, you can be paid 3 times a day. You can see it right here. That is it. So the next thing is that we are now going to promote this particular website using our affiliate link so that we can get a lot of people to do the work for us whilst we sleep. As I said earlier on, come to invite, click on earn with referrals. Once you click on earn with referrals, you are now going to copy your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting this link to get people to sign up for the offers. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be using this website to promote our affiliate links so that we can get a lot of people to join Price Rebel, and we are going to be earning money once they complete surveys on the platform. So you are going to be using this website funkyfreeads.com. So let me scroll down to show you. As you can see, many people are promoting their offers on this particular platform. You can see a lot of ads on this platform that people are posting. So this is a great platform that you can also post an ad and then earn money with Price Rebel. You can see a whole lot of different ads. As I scroll, you can see many ads on this particular platform. And the good news is that you can post your ad here for free. You are not going to pay for anything. You can see the name here, free ads, on Funky Free Ads. As you can see, you can promote job opportunities, you can promote business opportunities, services, local businesses, cars, real estate, and more. You can see affiliate offers. So any offer that you have, you can promote it on this platform, and you are going to be getting people to sign up for the offer, and you are going to be earning money on the side. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to just come here, click on publish your ad. Once you click on publish your ad, you are going to select your product categories. So just click here to select. Once you click here, our own is jobs, so just select jobs because you want them to complete surveys. So that is a job. So the next thing is that you are going to select the subcategory. So which category is it? So let's just say internet. So as you can see it, the next thing is that you are going to write your ad title and then the ad description. So what you are going to do is that you are going to write it. I have written all the details down ahead of time so that I wouldn't waste your time here. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here for you to see. So as you can see, this is my ad title: get paid to do online surveys, earn by filling out unlimited surveys. So just simple as that. And you can see the description. So fill surveys for thousands of legitimate survey companies and the rest. So just write a simple description like this. You can make your own better. Just write it and then paste it here. So the next thing is that you can see I have a call to action here. I'm going to correct the entire sentence because it's wrong. So let me correct everything right here. Click the link to get access now. So just simple as this. Click the link to get access now. So this is a call to action. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back and then copy your affiliate link. So just click on copy. Once you copy the link, you don't want to promote direct affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use Catly so that you can shorten the link and make it nice. So just paste it on Catly. Once you paste it on Catly, click on shorten so that your link will be shortened. So once you click on that, you can see the link has been shortened. So you are going to come here, click on copy so that you copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. Just paste it. Once you paste your link, the next thing is that you are going to add the product image. So you are going to click here to upload the image of the product that you are promoting. So we are promoting a website. So just open a new tab, type Price Rebel. So just type something like this, Price Rebel. Once you search for that, you are going to select images. Once you select image, you can see this is the image of the website. So just click on it. This image is too tiny, so we are going to select this one right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see you are going to right click. Once you right click, select save image as. So what you are going to do is that you are going to save your image. Once you save your image, you are going to upload it to your ad. So just come back to your ad. What you are going to do is that you are going to click here to upload your image. Once you click on that, select your image, click on open, and your image is going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image. So now the next thing is that you are going to enter the price. So here is $00. You are not going to charge anything. The next thing is that you are going to select the country right here. So leave it with the United States. Select the region. So you can select any of the states in the United States. So just select any of them. So I want to select Iowa here. As you can see, Iowa. So once you select that, you are going to select the city. So just select any city. I don't know the cities, but just select it. The next thing is city area. So it's not compulsory. Address is not compulsory. Please visit our website so you can paste your affiliate link here too. Once you paste your affiliate link here, the next thing is that you are going to enter the keywords. So here we are going to type something like work from home. I think that is it. The next thing is online survey. So you can enter your phone number, as you can see, your ad posted to thousands automatically. So you can just do that. If you have a YouTube account, you can equally add the link right here. So once that is done, you can see you are going to scroll down, and what you are going to do is that if you want to pay for any of these options, you can select that. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to publish it for free. So you can just select no thank you so that you can publish your ad. So once you select no thank you, just click on publish and your ad is going to be published on this particular website. As you can see, it is publishing right now. As you can see, the ad has been published onto this website. So right now, as you can see, this is the ad. So anytime people click on this link or they click on view website, if they sign up for an account and then take action, we are going to be earning money on Price Rebel. Let me click on view website for you to see. As you can see, this is the website. So if they sign up for an account through your link, you have referred them, so you are going to be earning money on Price Rebel for free. You don't need to do anything apart from posting the ad. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.